All right, today I'd like to show you how to create a hamburger menu, navigation menu in Power BI. Something that has a functionality so you can click your hamburger menu and your navigation menu pops up and you can close it, or you can navigate from there to any other page in your report. To do it is pretty straightforward. Each of these elements is native to Power BI. This is just a rectangle with other rectangles inserted on top of it and buttons layered on top of those. The X and the hamburger menu icon I've pulled off the web and imported them as images. And each of these things has the action attribute that we can format to use as buttons. To make the hamburger menu animation, we use the bookmarks pane and selection pane, which you can navigate to in the View tab up top. To build this, I started by building out this little pop-up right here so that everything shows. And then I created a bookmark, which in here is labeled as page 4. And I assign this bookmark to this button, so when I click it, this page shows. Now for the close icon, I created another bookmark and I use a selection pane to hide all of the elements of the pop-up modal. And I save that as the no menu icon. So when I click on the X, all it does is I tied that no menu bookmark to the action tab on the X so that it hides it. So that's as simple as it is. It's just bookmarks and selection pane to hide or show this modal that we've created. Hopefully this is helpful and can help you build a better, more beautiful UI in your Power BI reports. Hope you enjoy this video.